Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this task management dashboard in Excel. Here in this dashboard we have some KPI values consisting of the total tasks that completed, the in progress and not started one. And also here we have two bar graphs, which is one by team and by owner. And also here we have the overdue tasks number. Below of these KPI values, we have the dashboard table in which we can change or add new datas. So here we have the task name, the team, owner, the start date and the duration, the status and the overdue and comments. Here if we add one more row to this table, the graph and the KPI values will change automatically. So today I'm going to show you how to make this task management dashboard. This dashboard consists of two sheets. One is the dashboard and one is the support sheet. In this dashboard sheet, we have the task name, the duration, the status and everything. Here in this support sheet, we have the count of the status and the team and the owners. Based on this support sheet, we are going to add the KPI values to our dashboard. First of all, we have to change our database into a table format. For that, we'll select our data and then click on Ctrl T and click on OK. After that, if you don't want the alternating colors, you can click on banded rows and turn it off. After that, we'll adjust a column width a bit. Here in this duration and the overdue, the columns are empty because we are going to type in some formulas. Coming to the duration, we are going to subtract the due date to the start date. And for the overdue, here there are two conditions for the overdue. One is the status should not be completed and the due date should be less than today's date. For that, I'll type in the formula and for the logic one, we'll select the status not equal to. For the not equal to, we are going to type in the less than and the greater than sign. Completed. And for the second logic, we'll select the due date less than today. By adding the today function, it will change automatically when the day changes. So after typing the overdue formula, we'll go into the support sheet and here we'll fill in this count. For the status, we'll type in the formula COUNTIF. The range is the status and the criteria is completed. And now I'll drag a bit down. Same for the team and the owners. So I'll fast forward a bit. For the overdue, we'll type in the formula COUNTIF and select the overdue column and type in true and click on enter. This gives the overdue tasks. And now we are going to add our KPI values. For that, I will just select this table, click on Ctrl X and lower down a bit around 15th or 14th row. And now I'll turn off these grid lines for a better view. In the view tab, we'll select grid lines. And now for the KPI values. Here already I have made a rectangular box in the shapes, and for the color I have done by filling it with gradient fill. So I'll copy this shape and paste it here. First, we'll add the header. So I'll drag this shape till the end and I'll type in task management dashboard. I'll bold it and increase the font. And now again I'll copy this shape and paste it here. So here we are going to add four of these boxes. One is for the total, one is for the completed, one is for the in progress, and one is for the not started one. So I'll arrange my first box like this. And now by clicking on Control and Shift, we'll drag this box so it will duplicate. And now for the text, I'll go into Insert. In the illustrations, shapes, I'll select the text box here and I'll drag it over here. And in the shape format, I'll select no fill, so no fill. And for the shape outline, no outline. And now I'll type total. I'll change this font color to white, bold, and I'll increase the size. And now I'll just duplicate this text box for the values. So here I'll type equal to, and in the support sheet I'll select this total one. Okay, for the total it's the sum of these three statuses. I'll format, it's also center. We'll do the same for the overdue also. I'll select these two and I will just drag it. I'll adjust a bit and change the text to overdue. Increase the font size. And for the value, here in the support sheet, I'll select equal to, and in the support sheet, I'll select this overdue and click on enter. And I'll just format and increase the font. Coming to the graphs, here I'll change these two boxes colors, solid fill, and we'll select dark blue. And coming to the graphs in the support sheet, for the team graph, we'll select this data, and in the insert, I'll add a 2D bar. Here, I'll just remove the grid lines and the horizontal axis. Now I'll just cut this graph and paste it here. And for the chat fill, we'll select no fill and no outline and adjust this chat a bit. And for the text, I'll select white, type in by team. We'll also change this shape fill, different color, and also add labels and change this to white color. Same for the owner graph, we'll select the data and in the insert, add a 2D bar chart, remove the axis, grid lines, and no fill, no outline. Is changed to different color. We'll control X and paste it here. Add data labels and change everything to white color. The chart title will type by owner. And for the status and priority, we are going to highlight the cells based on the text present in them. For the priority, we'll select the data in the conditional formatting. We'll select equal to, and a light red fill with dark red text goes to high. Same for medium, but here we'll select yellow fill, and for low, we'll go to green fill. And for the completed, we'll select dark red with white. For not started, started. For in progress, we'll select orange. And for completed, select dark green with white text. and you can just add a few adjustments to this management dashboard. Like here for the duration, you can add days. For that, you can select the data, click on Control 1, and here in the format cells, you can type in hash and in inverted commas days, close it, and click on enter. So this is the task management dashboard. It's a very simple one and you can just do it in 15 to 16 minutes. I hope you like this task management dashboard. If so, then like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.